day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a Halo Watch S6 smartwatch, one of the latest smartwatch from the company Halo. And on this video, we are going to try one of its main features, that is the heart rate monitoring, as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. We'll check the result and we will compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So for those who have sent a request about whether the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen is similar to a fingertip pulse, the result is similar to the fingertip pulse oximeter, well, here's the video for you, and check it out if the result is accurate or not. So we'll test it out and we'll compare it with this fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see if the Halo Watch S6 heart rate monitoring is okay or not, watch this video, and again, like, share, drop a comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore the health monitoring function of the Halo Watch S6. Before we test it, let's check first if the heart rate will work if we are not wearing it. Okay. As you can see here, measuring failed. So it is looking for our heart rate. Okay, so if we are not wearing it properly, it will alert us that it cannot check our heart rate. How about for the blood oxygen? Let's check it out. Blood oxygen is wear tightly, and let's see. Okay, so similar results to the heart rate monitoring. Okay, so let's try and wear it and see if we will have a result. Okay, so the smartwatch is now properly set. So let's check our heart rate and we'll compare it with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Please take note that there is no continuous heart rate monitoring option in the support app. Even here in the smartwatch, there's no option. Okay, there's an all-day heart rate monitoring, but there is no continuous heart rate monitoring. Okay, anyway, let's see, and we'll compare it with a fingertip pulse oximeter. So let's go with the heart rate. So let's check. Our last record here is 81, and this afternoon we have at least 166 while we are in motion or doing some activity. The highest is 166. The last one here is 81, and we have here 75 again. On our third test or checking, we'll have a simultaneous monitoring of the fingertip pulse oximeter. So it's checking. So we have 75 here, the last check. 78. Okay, so let's have the fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, I'll refresh this. So we have here 83, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, and 78, as you can see here. So they almost have the same results here. Again, let's have another one. So 74 right now, 83, 82, 77, 76, 75, and 73. As you can see here, we do have 75. the last check that we have before 73 is 75. I guess we do have a very good heart rate monitoring sensor here. Okay, how about the blood oxygen monitoring? Right now we do have 97. Let's check if we'll have a range from 97 or 98 here. It's now measuring. This week we'll have a comparison review for the heart rate with the Watch 5 Lite. Okay, so we have 97, and as you can see 97 also, 97 here on our fingertip pulse oximeter. Okay, so far as you can see, we do have a very good result for our Halo Watch S6. Although it is very affordable and seems like it's a cheap smartwatch, the sensor is very good for our Halo Watch S6. So we do have a good results for the heart rate monitor as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. Again, if you have any questions or requests for the Halo Watch S6, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!